Are you still struggling to learn English, even after watching many videos? Do you feel like you understand the words but cannot speak fluently? What if I told you that in 2025, there are smarter and faster ways to learn English? In this video, I am going to share the best tips that actually work. These are the same techniques used by successful English learners around the world. And the best part is, they are simple, easy to follow, and perfect for beginners. So stay with me until the end. Your English journey is about to change. In our previous video, we discussed the first 4 powerful tips to help you learn English faster in 2025. If you have not seen that video yet, I recommend you watch it first and then come back to this one. Because today we are continuing from tip number 5 and going deeper into practical and effective methods that will boost your English learning journey. Tip 6. Learn English phrases, not just words. Many learners memorize individual words, but that is not enough. Words are useful, but phrases are more powerful. Learn how words are used in real sentences. For example, instead of only learning the word help, learn a full phrase like, "Can you help me with this?" This makes it easier to speak naturally. Phrases also teach you grammar without needing to study boring rules. When you use full phrases, you sound more fluent and confident. Tip 7. Surround yourself with English. Make English a part of your daily life. Change your phone's language to English. Listen to English songs. Watch English news or podcasts. Follow English pages on social media. Read English articles or short stories. The more you see and hear English, the faster your brain gets used to the language. This is called immersion. It helps you learn without pressure and improves your memory naturally. Tip 8. Find a learning partner or practice online. Learning is more fun and more effective when you are not alone. If you can find someone who is also learning English, practice speaking together. You can ask each other questions, do role plays, and help each other improve. If you do not have a partner, go online. Join English learning groups on social media or forums. Use language exchange apps where you can talk to real people from other countries. Speaking with others builds your confidence and shows you how real English is used. Tip 9. Use English learning app. Technology makes learning English easy in 2025. There are many great apps that help you learn vocabulary, grammar, listening, and speaking. Some of the best ones include Duolingo, BBC Learning English, Hello English, and Memories. These apps are fun and easy to use. They let you practice anytime, even when you are traveling or waiting in line. Use them to review new words, take short lessons, or test your skills. Tip 10. Be patient and stay motivated. Learning English is a journey, not a race. You will make mistakes. You will forget words. You will feel frustrated sometimes, but that is normal. Every mistake is a step toward progress. Be patient with yourself. Track your progress and celebrate small wins. Maybe today you learned 5 new words. Maybe you spoke for 2 minutes without stopping. These small victories keep you motivated. Stay focused and never give up. In 2025, learning English has become easier and more flexible. You have tools, videos, apps, and resources everywhere. But the most important part is your effort. Set clear goals. Speak every day. Think in English. Watch useful content. Practice with real people. And above all, enjoy your learning journey. Thank you for watching English Academy. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.